Alright, welcome to this video. I'm going to try and cut my own hair, and it's been a while. I think it's been 3 years since I've cut my own hair. I'm going to use scissors for the first time to see if I can shorten the length of the top, and this is, wait, the power needs to be on. Just another one of those things you can do while you're in lockdown. Alright, so the haircut that I'm going for is a 0 fade. Let's brush my hair. I'm using a wild clipper with the colour attachments, and I'm going to try and go around and slightly lower towards the back of my head and back around, then I'll fade it in. And I might trim the beard as well. I've got a mirror set up with this contraption. It's got these little hooks that I've just connected to the shower screen, and this way I can pivot and move this around so that I can see the back of my head and the sides. So with a bit of maneuvering, right, there we go. I can see the sides of my head and be able to use the clipper in new ways. Alright, let's see how we go. You can see the maneuvering takes some getting used to. Alright, it's a lot of hair, but I think we're going alright so far. You can see as we're going around. It doesn't have to be completely accurate. I mean, end of the day you are stuck at home, so who really cares? Alright, so after this you'll grab the 3mm. I believe this is a number 1. And just a couple of centimeters up from the initial line. Alright, so now we can grab the 6mm or number 2. Alright, let's go back to number 1. So that we can now see the line a little bit more. to get rid of the line a little bit. I'm putting this on 3/4. Just going over it. Put this down lower. Alright, so done pretty much some of the hard parts now. I'm using the right ear taper. I don't know what it does, but it seems like it's doing something. Alright, so I don't know if it's the best blend, but I think it will do for now. For now we're going to do the beard. And the moustache. Let's put the number 2. So that's most of it. The last part is just getting the beard done properly, and we are going to be done. If you are using a cutthroat, make sure you're extremely careful, because as the name suggests, you can do a lot of harm. Alright, let's use the scissors to cut some of the flyaways. This is the hard part. This is to try and cut the back with the blade. There you have it. Took, I think it was an hour, roughly, but it's not too bad. You can see that it's got a decent blend. Now the aim of this video isn't to show that it's a perfect haircut. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just needs to be acceptable. I mean, you're stuck in your house anyway, so this is just to make yourself feel a little bit better. But try it for yourself. Worst case scenario is you cut your hair on one level, who cares? It takes only a few weeks to grow back, but tell me what you guys think in the comments, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks guys, we'll see you next time.